How are you doing today? You're welcome to a brand new week, the week of discovery. Are you ready to discover? I want to teach you today how to design an organizational chart, or should I call it organizational structure, using Microsoft PowerPoint. You know, many a person goes to drawing tools like CorelDRAW and others, creating a problem where there was no problem. Today, I shall be taking you through on how to design organizational structure using Microsoft PowerPoint. It is very simple. We have them off the shelf. So what you need to do is to follow me as I take you there. Are you ready? All right. All you need to do is to create a slide. Like myself, I like using a blank slide. Okay, I have a blank slide there. What else? Go to my this is the menu bar. I go to my insert menu, insert. You have a lot of tools here to use, but we are going to Smart Art. Do you see me there? Click on Smart Art. So you see all list, process, cycle, hierarchy. Let me pick on hierarchy because organizational structure is a hierarchical relationship in an organization from the top management to the last person in the organization, or from the last person in the organization up to the top management. There's what we call upward flow of communication and downward flow of communication. So in this presentation, or in this tutorial, I shall take you through downward flow of communication. While you're not working on your own, practically you will be able to see how to work on upward flow of communication. So that is hierarchy from the oga patapata at the top, oga at the top, to the boy at the bottom. So we go to hierarchy. The relationship of the hierarchy we want to use is very simple now. I want to see if we have anyone here to select. Okay, let me use this. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't give us what we are looking for, we'll locate another one. We'll locate another one. Let's see if it will give us what we are looking for. Will it? Will it give us what we are looking for? Let me see. Is there another one I can bring there? We're trying to find out what we can do. Okay, we are trying to see if there's a better one out there that can give us what we need. That's that there are a lot of tools you can select from, right? Okay, let's use this. Let's use this. Uh-huh. The one beneath, let's remove. Oh no, we need to remove this one first. I don't need this. This one will not actually give us what I need for reasons I don't know, but my mind is in there. So let me come here. Smart Art, yes. Then I select what I want now. Where's one we said we wanted to use? Okay, okay. Let's use this. Let's use this. All right. Now, in that situation, what we have here is very simple. Um, Let me remove this one at the background. I don't need that one. Just right click and I can do there. Okay. Right click on it. You can punch your delete button and remove it. I don't need it. The one at the background there. Doesn't want to go. Okay, let me remove this one at the top there. This one. Remove it. Just cut it off. Wow, is it going? Okay, let's start from here. We have a called what? The general manager. Oh no, let's say the CEO. CEO. Okay, that is CEO. Now let's say this company has offices in Abuja and in Lagos. If it has offices in Abuja and in Lagos, what do we have now? So we must have a manager in Abuja. And also we have GM, that is letter G and M. Where? Right, Abuja. We have Abuja here. Okay. And the other side, GM where? Let's say GM where Lagos, the two offices. These are the two states where the company has an office. What's the next one? In Abuja office, let's say we have a accounts manager. Okay, and we have what's called the personnel. Let me just use that one, personnel manager. So that's a HRO. That's a HRO manager. Okay. In Lagos, we have the same thing. To avoid repetition, let's just come here, copy it, see what I'm trying to do to avoid repetition on typing. You know, I'm very lazy in that aspect. You paste whatever you have copied there. Yeah, I don't want that. I don't want, that's not what I want to do. What I want to do. Let's remove it immediately. Let's come here and write what we're supposed to write. I can now paste, right? Let's have a account manager. That thing I wanted to do, you can do it when you have become what? A pro. For now, let's see how we can create a leg. So now you can see that I want to write HR here, but there's no space. What do? I will now right click here. You see what I'm doing? We right click and add shape after, right? Good. Do you see that? Maybe I should do it again. Click on this shape, then you have add shape after, not before, not above, not below, after. So I have a place to put what? HR. That's what I wanted to teach you, that I don't want to use copy and paste. HR manager. So you can see what is happening here. Also, so under this account manager, we have what? Supervisor, cleaner, others. Let's add one. We have add shape below this time around. You see, we have supervisors. Okay. Let's say, you know, this line should be all supervisors, right? Add shape below, below. We have supervisors. Supervisors. Maybe the same thing should be here. All you have to do is what? Come here, click on what? Add shape and put below. Then under the supervisor, what should be there? Let's say we have a okay, what do you call it? Is it messenger or you have a office assistant? Let's add shape below. Below. We have office assistants. Office, you know, it's packaging. You can't just call them errand boys, right? You can't call them errand boys. You can't call them this. So depending on the number of persons you have in the organization, continue to add shape or remove shape. Am I communicating? So when you are able to do this, you yourself will be happy that you did, and you will be smiling because you know what you are doing. So with this, what have we discussed so far? That when you want to create your organizational chart, you don't have to be using to be drawing or do so that is you don't have to do naturally. You can just come here, edit what you want to edit, and insert what you want to insert. Before long, you have seen your organizational chart. By way of review, you can see that if I were to show this now, this is what you see from your screen. It's as beautiful as this. If I were to complete all these ones, it will be as beautiful as this. But why do you think we cannot do that? Let's go back again. You see that as it is on PowerPoint slide, you can convert it to any format. See, save as. Let me save this as a practical, right? Designing an organization. I don't have to change it. I have saved it now, right? Then on this section, I will come back to the file again because I have saved it. It's on my system. I will now go to save as. Under save as, you see the presentation PowerPoint PPT. No, don't save it as PPT around. Save it as what? PDF. So this is a portable document format that can be printed. After I have saved, you can see that it's publishing. After I have saved, I will now go back to my file and bring out what I have done there for printing. If I don't want to print for PowerPoint, I'll print from this area directly. Look at how beautiful it's going to be. This is the PDF version. What do you observe? Once it is printed, it's going to be as beautiful as this. You see it? Yes. So this is what we are saying. You don't have to use correct draw orders. You can work on this. But you may say, there are shadows behind each of them. You can remove each of the shadows if you wish. For example, you can edit each of them you want to edit. Maybe this CEO that's what you want to remove. You can remove that one, remove this shape here. You don't need it, right? Okay, it's trying to tell us some things. Okay, if we don't need this, what you need to do is very simple. I'm coming to show you that we can actually edit it. That's true. You can edit it. You cannot edit this one. You select the ones that you think you can work on. It's going to be very, very simple. Yes. So that is that. Select the ones you need. You can even edit this one here under this format and design. Select any one you need. The sets, the covers, graphic presets, etc. that you want. You select it and give us what you need there. So it's as simple as that. So this is where we're going to stop today. I want you to pick your mouse down and start working on it. See you in our next class.